Hey everyone, for today's shave, we're going to use Stirling Soap Campania, Matching Splash, Schick Injector J1. Let's get this going for you. So hope you're all doing well. Hope you've been doing great. As you can tell, I am participating in No Shave November. Part of the reason you didn't have a video last weekend. I'm just going to put these back over here for a second. And as you can see, I'm in a different bathroom right now. There's a problem with the sink in my shave den. So we're going to try this out as a temporary solution and hope it does okay. So I have this lather done up here in the Thirsty Badger lather bowl. Not a lot to shave for you guys today, unfortunately. Gonna put some moisture on the water here in the neck. Apply the lather. But want to get a shave in, say hi, see how everyone's doing. Hope you've been doing well. And just show you what I've been up to, what's going on. I wasn't going to do it this year. I didn't think I was going to. But I just decided what the hell. So because I did it on such short notice, I'm unfortunately not fundraising. I will be supporting others. It's actually, I know it's, you know, we're supporting men's prostate cancer awareness, funds for all that. But to me this year, I've had quite a few friends who've been dealing with cancer. Most of them female. You know, some close family friends, some close friends, my wife's best friend. So, even though it's not exactly the same theme for No Shave November and, you know, Movember and all that, to me, it fit. And I was going to shave my head in support, but my wife wouldn't let me. So the beard it is. So we have a little over a week of growth on the beard right now. Yesterday would have been a week, I do believe. We'll just add a little more water to this. I know I can take it. As for the scent on this, well, first of all, I got to thank Magic Mike and IMCDB for, you know, basically talking me into getting this. CDB can talk to me directly about it, but he's always such a big proponent of this, and I think it's because of him that this was made by Stirling. This is based off an Aqua de Parma cologne. I believe it was the same one as Razor Rock 1, which was discontinued, which is why Chris was looking for an alternative to this. I never got to smell Razor Rock 1, and I have not smelled the actual cologne of this. This smells amazing. It's a upfront, in your face, citrus accord. You know, good medium scent strength right now to me. And I know there's like, I can't remember all the citrus notes right now, I'm sorry. There's also some jasmine in here. A little bit of cedar, and I think the pink pepper, I think it was. But there's bergamot, and a couple other cedar notes, or citrus notes in here. I'll put them up for you guys. To me, it's citrus in your face with maybe a touch of the powdery and the woodsy, like very, very, very on the bottom of it and the base. It's very nice. If you like citrus notes and you like old school cologne kind of vibes, this will be for you, I think. It is for me. I'm very happy to have it. It can be said many, many times. Yeah, the Stirling base is good. There's nothing wrong with the Stirling base. Is it missing all the fancy butters and everything that all the new bases have? Yep. But does it give you a good shave? Yep. I don't have many of them in my den anymore, but I've gone through a lot of Stirling. Soap has never really disappointed me. So here we go. Let's go with the grain. These glasses might have to come off. a little hard to see the lines here when I'm trying to go with the line. I do have bifocals. And when I look at it like this, I'm getting the close-up zoom and it's kind of blurring everything, the distance in the mirror here. But we'll see how this goes. Not bifocals, progressives. Sorry guys, progressives. The Schick. Again, I won this from Tobin's Throwbacks. Great razor. I'm a Schick fan, as you guys know. I have, I think, 10 of them in the den right now. Well, injectors anyways. Majority of them are Schicks. But they're great, great razors. I know some guys don't like them because of the limited blade options. But this blade works great for me that I got. This is the Schick blade in the yellow, I think it is. Yeah, yellow packaging from like Amazon's where I get them. But they work wonderful. I get good longevity out of them for the price. It's just, it's a win-win-win for me. So right now, I am only doing the neck. I'll be doing the cheeks again here. Probably next video for you guys. I tried them a little bit on the weekend. And I want to take a straight razor to them. So we will do that to clean those up for you. Show you guys how I do that on my next video. But other than that, things have been really kind of busy for me. How about you guys? You know, work's getting more in the swing. I had my first in-person trade show since 2019 here last week, which blew my mind that it was happening, but it did. I'm also the lead designer and builder on the theater company that my daughter attends for their sets. They're doing a theatrical version of Elf. So I'm working with the director to figure all that out. Having trouble with volunteers who are supposed to be helping me build. So I've built probably 70% of it myself. It's taken a lot of time. I'm there every night this week. And I'm there most Sundays, or Saturdays and Sundays. That's why I wasn't on the last Canadian Mafia show. I was busy playing with the power tools. Boys and their toys, right? This is where I'm struggling with these glosses a bit more, guys. Give me 1 second. I'll take these off here. Send them over here again. There we go. So I may be a little low, I know that. I'm brought it down a little bit lower than I had earlier when I first started. But you can play with it, see what I think of it, and we'll go from there. So that's really all I do for shaving right now, guys, for the month, this month anyways. Get a little touch up there. I'm not even going to worry about reapplying lather. There's tons of residual slip with Stirling here. Great value for the bang, I got to give it that too. It's better in the US obviously than it is up here in Canada, value wise, but still a very good value. Like, easy shave. I spent more time yapping than I did shaving. Let's just check this out, guys. Yeah, I'm just gonna put a little cool water here on it. Give me 1 second. And it's easy shave. It's kind of funny, right? Normally I would clean these up right through here for the line for you guys. Like I said, I just want to let that grow a little bit more. Get that line more defined for you and for me. Woo! Okay, so matching splash. Now here's a problem with this matching splash. This is not a fault of Stirling's. It's not a fault of the vendor I bought. It's a fault of the shipping company. The lid cracked. I tried to glue it back together, but needless to say, if I'm not careful, just like that, and I forget about it, I get a splash everywhere. My second time using this. So now, that being said, this was the fault, like I said, of the ship, of the courier. I contacted the vendor I was dealing with, Stonefield Shaving here in Canada. Jonathan's a great guy. And he said, hey Jonathan, just so you know, this happened. I'm not upset. I know it's not Stirling's fault. No, it's not your fault. Any chance you have a broke, like a cap hanging around I could buy off you, or if you can get me one from Stirling or something. Well, Jonathan jumped right on it, and he's got a Stirling order coming in, and they're replacing the cap for me, even though it's not their fault. Not what I expected, not what I was asking for, but customer service is always appreciated. So it's part of the reason why he always retains my business. He's a good guy. Okay, so that is done. But we will add something else to this shave for you guys. The beard care. What I'm starting to do. I remember last time the beard, when I grew it last year for No Shit on the Ring, extremely itchy. Extremely itchy. I was using beard oils, all that fun stuff. This year, only place I'm having a little bit of itch is right here. And a little bit of pokiness because the beard's growing down into the lips. I need to trim that. But what I'm going to use today, excuse me, Beard and Brawn Beard Balm. It is citrus and cedar, and I believe this is made in Winnipeg, Manitoba. So, I got too much there. Hold on. That's probably more than enough. Ingredients really quick so you guys know. Sorry. Shea butter, beeswax, jojoba oil, coconut oil, essential oils. Put it in my palm here. Heat it up. I apply it. Again, there's guys way more experienced than me. You could probably tell you how to better do it. I just rub it in. I never go up against. I pour it in. And then I have a beard comb brush, whatever you call it, with boar hair. People will tell you it's not needed. I don't know if it is, but I had it given to me as a gift. So I'm going to use it to help work those oils in. And like I said, my beard is feeling way softer right now than it did last year. My wife even mentioned that. So maybe it's a different in my personal chemistry. Maybe it's my beard care routine using something like this and the balm instead of the oils, which is working better for me. I don't know, but that's what I do. So it's pretty simple. Let me get my glasses back. Sorry, in this bathroom, the shelf is right over there. There's a really small one here, but it doesn't hold much, and it's for my wife's stuff right now. So that's it. Really quick shave. Wanted to say hi to you guys. Just catch up, see what you've been up to, let you know what I've been up to. There's some exciting stuff coming for the channel here. I have an artisan that wants to do some work with me on the channel, and it'll be benefiting you guys. So I'm looking forward to announcing that. I just got to talk to him a little bit more about it. And pass it, I should do the magic cap for you. And we'll get you guys out of here and get myself out of here back to work. Before I reach again, guys, I'm sorry. I know it's not ideal right now. So you saw me use Stirling Campania, again, based on an old ADP cologne, active with Parma cologne. There's zero shelf space in this place. You saw me use the Thirsty Bird Mayor Lather Bowl. This is the FB brush with a AP Shave Co 2-bed finest synthetic, also part of Synthetic Brush Week for BBS Live. Schick Injector J1, beautiful shaver, easy to use. Beard and Brawn, beard oil, citrus and cedar, that's what it was. And the beard brush, and this was from Rockwell, I think. Can't remember. But anyways, guys, if you stepped through this, thank you very much. Please leave your comments below. Let me know what you think of the beard. I have people who already tell me they love it. I have people already tell me they can't wait for me to shave it off. I want to hear your thoughts below. Let me know what you think of Stirling Campania. And let me know what you think about Schick Injectors. I look forward to seeing you guys for the next video. Take care all, and cheers.